Ooh.
One more, Barry.
Get through, get through. Two out, Scotty. All right, Tommy.
Two down.
Right field, Normie.
Plays it two.
Go back a little bit. He's got some zing.
Watch it, Jimmy.
You don't say dead in a senior softball game.
One more.
Mind those teeth.
Look at Normie. Look at Normie.
Hey, Mike, get in.
Uh-oh. Gotta play, gotta play. Good shot, Normie. Wow. Great shot.
Who wants to run?
I need a runner.
Yeah, somebody. I can't. I don't know Mike.
I need a runner. Yeah, yeah.
Does that matter?
She was on the base already, right? You didn't run from home.
Right, yeah.
Take it.
Done, okay.
Good shot, Norm. Good clutch hit. Okay, there's two outs or one? So let him know.
Let it be known.
Run for it unless you want someone faster. You know,
I'm trying to figure out how many outs we have.
I don't know.
Okay, two.
Went to the bathroom.
Good. He didn't look very happy when I was
Jimmy, come on, Jim, on the guys.
Oh, we need you now, Jimmy. Go ahead, run on third. Walk won't do it. Then Louis can come through, but I'm after Louis. Crunch time.
I think we got at least one out because Joe got forced out of second. He said. I have at least one out.
I don't. I think there's two. Yeah.
He said he got forced out of second.
Okay, I'm not really sure. One crunch one. There it is. All right.
Nice hit, Jim.
Go, Joe. Go, Joe.
Come on, Joe. If you were fast, you score. Over that second.
Nobody home. All right.